before this video starts, I want you guys to know that while editing it was extremely long, so for that reason I would have split it into 2 videos. So this is part 1. Hope you guys enjoy.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, and now I know what I need to do.
Probably have to take off them. Whoa. Quality nickel.
Alright, just sit on your back and turn.
And turn.
Yeah. Look at this.
Whoa.
Just sit down.
Hello, hello.
Morning, how are ya?
Good. Good.
Good, good.
Coming from afar away, you know?
Yeah, man.
He's coming all the way from Kingston.
From Kingston.
Yeah.
Just to go on the boat.
Just to go on the boat. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
And you make you famous, Grandma. Funny. Yeah. Yeah, it's funny looking fishing rod now. It's an old Yamaha culture. Yeah.
Yes, me friend, me good friend. He said that free again, yeah. Yes, guys, morning again. Welcome on board again, guys. We're gonna have a fun day today. For real. It's a little bit cloudy, but I guess that's nice enough.
Yeah, that's all hot.
Yeah. We're gonna stop at the reef for an hour, do some snorkeling, then we go on the Booby Cay, make some lunch and chill out. Alright? Yeah. I can hear your voice. I can hear your voice. Down by 474 0540. I'm at the reef. You guys want to go? Alright, so you're ready? You want the mask?
So one here, so.
Alright, you don't need no feet.
That would be lovely, guys. Yeah, man, that would have good. So this is Captain Raymond, the man himself.
Yes, on the island we are going on lobster. Lobster in the hour, then don't rest.
Oh, so so
live one.
you're live, so we're going to do a bit of snorkeling, and then we're going over to which key again?
Island, Booby Cay.
Booby Cay. Oh,
Yeah,
so we're going across to Booby Cay. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
funny fish, man. Watch it. Let's see what.
someone come for the bread. Oh yeah, yo! Whole heap of fish.
Yeah. You could have the whole bread in there,
And them come to you?
Yeah.
Yeah? So like vibes, man. Alright, so I'm gonna put your information as to how they can contact you, but guys, is a very, what do I say, friendly person.
Oh God, man, yo, that's me, man. Very nice, very, yo. When you want to say it, it's me, Captain Raymond.
Yeah, about after 10 we called him last night.
Yo, I see it, man, about this morning already. Me surprised when the man reached from Portmore and reached at Negril. That means you know how things said. Yeah, it turn up. People want to see it, want to enjoy it. Yo, this is a man that make it happen. So improve himself, say, yo, me want to do it, and the man can't do it. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, man, so if you guys interested in doing this, I'll have the contact info there. Feel free to call him, because as I say, it's a friendly
Open every time.
Alright guys, so I did not do an intro, but you guys can tell from the title and from the conversation with Captain Raymond just know what it is that we'll be doing today. This is a first for me. So he has equipment, so I'm going to definitely be wearing the mask and some fins. So we'll see how that goes. I don't have a housing for the GoPro, so I'm going to make one.
Yeah, right? Remember, you got breed. You use this before?
Yeah. As in, I have an idea. So
alright, breathe through your mouth. Put it up by your head, like, yeah. Alright, bottom.
Can you throw me down my mask and snorkel, please?
Keep your mouth closed, man.
Try to fight it, but you can't even feel it. Try to deny it, but it's coming for someone you love. Not the wisest to deceive her. Can I hide it?
Hey, Maroon. Yo, it's the first time doing something like this. It's absolutely crazy how beautiful under the water is. It's a bit creepy. Oh. It's a bit creepy at first, but it's extremely beautiful under there.
Way above it all, in the silence, is conceited, 'cause it believes that we're defeated. To our surprise, I believe it. What's inside us will release us now. Oh.
Definitely an experience, guys. Definitely an experience.
No, the world just have to trust now. Then maybe we'll find out, but now we're coming to the place in the tall grass where we see that the elders have lost time, and the lessons we learned from a long past have all but abandoned our small minds. Scream about nothing but fear, trying to run up a decline. Maybe one day we'll learn the truth. Maybe we're blind by design. Maybe we're blind by design. Maybe we're blind by design.
Yeah, man, we can finish on the island. I'm gonna pick up some more people on this side here. There's one reef on the island.
In a place that's close. Near and dear
You
to
think I'll be big?
my
Yeah, the car.
just a lie that we are different.
What's up?
Not sisters, sisters.
Your eyes are burning?
She didn't put her hair back.
Okay.
Yo. Uh-oh. Yeah. How much water? Yeah, take off.
What the live jacket do?
Yeah.
Water.
First time I had something like this.
That's all, yeah.
Need to learn to swim and that we need to do.
My own, not joke.
Not true.
And you know how you know that?
Live on the island I can't swim.
Yo, you know the half island. What do you general?
Yo. So I guess my makeshift GoPro housing went well, the camera came out dry. So it's a little trick that I learned. That's where we're heading over to Booby Cay.
They're going to the island, so I'm just going to make one stop, pick them up, then head to the island.
Always wonder how this do that. Yeah, just want to come off. Thanks. Then they have stuff for that. So as I said, we're heading over to Booby Cay.
Alright, now we got the best man. Hey, yo. Come on, goodbye. Yes, boy. Jump in, jump in there. Jump, yeah, hold it, buddy. Hold it. Just hold it.
Oh, careful.
The kid in
Sorry for the abrupt ending to this video, but remember, as I explained, this is part 1 of a 2-part series, so be sure to check out part 2 here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember, in everything that you do, be patient, exercise humility, and always be consistent. I'll see you guys in part 2.
Me know you never gonna believe me, but me woulda find it hard to keep this thing a secret. Cause got me going to the deepest of oceans. Come on, let me show you why you feel like a float, man. Slow Johns, why you feel like listen. Anything you turn ain't a real life fixin'. Not a drink, girl, you're my addiction. Cause with you I feel I'm missing nothing, 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 nothing.